Welcome to the Weekly Exercising Challenge. My name is Katerina Akulich. I am a founder of the Habit Lab. I study psychology and neuroscience at the Harvard Extension School, and I help people to improve their lifestyle via changing their habits. The Weekly Exercising Challenge you are participating in is a 5-day program helping you to kick off a new exercise habit. What I would encourage you to do is to choose one simple exercise routine that you want to do every day. Start doing this routine as of Monday. After completing your exercise routine, please log in your results in the shared file on daily basis. You may find the link to the file in the email that I sent you. For example, you made your exercise on Monday. After that, you put a Y letter, meaning yes, in the row corresponding to your name. If you are accessing that Google Doc from your computer, you may want to save it in favorites to be able to find it fast the next day. If you want to log in your results from your phone, you will need to install the Google Sheet mobile application. I know we all hate to install extra apps, but come on, it only takes a minute and you can always delete it after the challenge is over. Your objective is to keep exercising every day for this 1 week. And you can see the progress of the other participants to stay motivated. You may say, but 1 week won't make me fit. 1 week isn't enough to change my life. True, but that is exactly how you start the big changes, with one small commitment. 1 week is easy. 1 week turns into 2 weeks and then into a month, half a year, and so on. Big commitments are scary, and that's why we fail to stick to them. I would encourage you to try something new this time. Every day of the next week, I'll be sending you a short email to remind you to do your exercise routine. And I will also share with you a few actionable tips how to build new habits. Those tips are based on the recent research in neuropsychology. As a student of the Harvard Extension School, I have access to the whole Harvard's online library. That's where I get my theoretical knowledge from. But I'm not a person who only reads articles and books without applying knowledge to practice. Everything that I learn, I try and apply in practice with my clients. Helping people to build new habits is my main job. So I am confident you can learn something new and useful from my emails this week. So let's start with the first tip. Your new exercising habit must be very specific. First thing you should do when adopting a new habit, you need to articulate very clearly what exactly you are going to do. When I'm asking people what exercise habits they would like to adopt, the common answers would be, I want to do morning exercise, I want to go to swimming pool regularly, I want to start working out, I want to do more sports, I want to avoid sitting all day long. Those are all great intentions, but they are not specific enough. And that's why it's hard to start practicing them. If the behavior is not specific, it feels ambiguous. And ambiguity for our brain means difficult. If something is difficult, you are likely to hesitate starting that activity. So our first step would be to specify the desired exercise habit as much as possible. Thinking about the habit you would like to adopt, ask yourself, what specific exercise I will be doing? How, when, how often, where, for how long, with whom? Let's take morning exercise as an example. First, I will specify what morning exercise means for me. Working out at home, in the gym, outside, where exactly this is going to happen. Then I will specify what exercise I will be practicing. Plank, push-ups, sit-ups, yoga, jogging, anything else. For how long, how many repetitions of each exercise I'm intended to do, or for how many seconds or minutes I will do each of the activities. I would encourage you to write down the answers to those questions. A good example of the habit articulation in this case would be, I will do 5 push-ups, 10 jumping jacks, and 30 seconds plank at home every morning, including the weekends. Please ask yourself what exactly you will be doing. How, when, how often, for how long, with whom. Write down the answers in the cell G of our tracking file. From the next video, you will learn why motivation is not helping you to improve your life, how habits are formed, and what are the most popular myths about habits. Spoiler, it's not true that it takes 21 days to build a habit. Check out the real number in the next video. Have a great rest of the day and see you tomorrow!